On 16th of July 2021, Ministry of National Food Security and Research convened a national pre-summit meeting on UNFSS 2021, where the curator and lead for UNFSS Pakistan Stake Dialogue updated the participants and all the relevant stakeholders on progress in country and commitment to join Global Coalition on Zero Hunger. So we have Dr. Muhammad Azim Khan Sahab, who is the chairman of PARC and MNFSR Islamabad. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
No, fine.
So what was the basic agenda behind this event first?
The basic agenda was to really become a part of international community in on this food system summit, Global Food System Summit, and develop our own understanding from our own context, develop our own game-changing proposition to bring real change in our society about food production, food consumption, and then food security, malnutrition issues, to address all these issues. That was the main agenda.
How much we are ready for this action?
Initially, consensus development was our target, and that has been developed. And also, as I mentioned this morning, we have communicated that side by side communicating with the ministry for at the decision-making level. Even we are passing on this consensus up to PM level. And then we are very hopeful that present government is fully committed for supporting these game-changing solutions, and they are in line with the government priorities, programs, their financial support. So we are hoping that on all these actions, already lot of work has already been, lot of support we have already been able to have in terms of projects, in terms of investment. And the additional support, as it was mentioned by our ministers, that in the future our focus will be conservation, preservation of food, and processing and value addition. So we are hoping commitment from the government in this sector as well, because this will provide employment opportunities, this will provide us food on a sustainable basis, and also reduce losses. So all these things, and also this organic agriculture, natural agriculture, solutions, awareness. So all these programs will be supported by different ministries, different divisions for achieving this food security and nutrition agenda.
What are the initiatives that government has taken for this food system transformation?
Previously, from Prime Minister Emergency Program, they have already committed more than 275 billion rupees for supporting different programs in crop sector. More than four crops are covered. Then in the livestock sector, poultry sector, and then in the water sector. So there is a huge commitment. Then also in the PSDP, they have increased this allocation 10 times more. Provincial government are also committed. They are matching their own resources for achieving these agenda items. Then also this agri-transformation plans, we proposed, the ministry proposed first generation interventions where scale will be achieved for production, for increasing productivity. And then in the second generation intervention, there will be further commitment in terms of budgetary and financial support for achieving, for supporting this superfood, nutritious food agenda, as well as this value-added agriculture for domestic consumer as well as for trade purposes.
Sir, do you want to say something about the organizations those are working with ministry?
Almost all UN agencies, organizations, they are with us, with the ministry for achieving this agenda. Then provincial governments, also civil society organizations, NGOs, international NGOs. So everybody is on board for become a partner for the implementation or achieving these set goals.
So what do you think, what's our global commitment on Zero Hunger Coalition?
Yeah, our with the global partners, with GAIN and others, we have already committed that we will be partner in achieving Zero Hunger goals. That is our commitment with the international community. Already we have conveyed our willingness. And then in this initiative, we are really very helpful for, very, very, very thankful to FAO, and then to IFAD, then also to World Food Program. And then particularly again, they not only technically supported us, but they led us in this whole process. So all these organizations, and then my own technical resource person for my own organization, PRC, then the ministry, they were all partners in implementing this agenda.